Hello everyone, I'm 𝗣cie𝗯 and I'm the Vice Principal for Academic Services here at NPTC Group of Colleges. As you prepare to take your exams and formal assessments, I wanted to take a moment to wish you all the very best of luck on Pob Lwc Day. You have all worked so hard to get to this point, and now it's time to show what you're capable of. Understandably, some of you may be feeling nervous and anxious, but remember to stay focused and believe in your knowledge, skills and abilities. You have all put in the effort, time and dedication required to get this far, and that is something to be proud of. We also wanted to reassure you that this is not your last chance. So whatever grades you achieve, there will be opportunities for you, and we will be on hand to offer advice, guidance and support throughout your exams and assessments and beyond. With this in mind, Jeremy Miles, the Minister for Education and the Welsh Language, has enlisted experts to create a package of resources called 𝗣elle Power Up. These are designed to help learners prepare for their upcoming examinations and assessments, and it's a website which brings together resources, guides and tips into one place. You can access the resources at gov.wales, and there's lots of content on social media too. Just search for #KeepWalesLearning. Good luck everyone, and remember, as long as you do your best, there's nothing more that anyone can ask of you.